90-second recipe. This time we're doing buffalo chickpea tacos, vegan style. First, you want to get your red cabbage, chop it finely, set that aside. You want to soak that in water so it doesn't bleed through in the slaw that we're going to make. Go ahead and let that soak while you're doing all the other stuff. It'll turn the water red. That way you'll know. Next, you want to chop up your green cabbage. You can tell I used about twice as much as the other one. Take off all the thick, meaty core parts. Then you want to get your cilantro, go ahead and separate the stems, finely chop that up, and then you can add all of those together. See, I got that nice bowl. You can add it together after you drain the water from the red cabbage, mix that up real nice. It'll blend. It's got that nice color. I made a lot. I use it for like fried rice and stuff. I'll saute up the cabbage. Next, we're going to do a buffalo aioli. You want to do some Buisque-ness, a little bit of lime, some buffalo. Put it in a squeeze bottle or in a dish, doesn't matter. Shake the hell out of it or just whisk it with a fork. Then you want to get your garbanzo beans, drain everything. If you want, you can save that and make whipped cream out of it. I never do. It tastes a little beany to me. Next, you want to add flour and a little bit of buffalo to your garbanzo beans / chickpeas. Go ahead and mix that up real nice. That flour is going to help that buffalo kind of bond to the beans a little bit. Heat up some oil in your pan. Saute that real nice until most of the liquid is gone. Next, fire up some tortillas and then assemble chickpeas, buffalo aioli, and the slaw on top. Enjoy!